Welcome back for another vlog with Valra Travel. Today's vlog is the room tour to the Carnival Firenze Suite 9206 on Deck 9 forward. So here we are on the 9th deck. Do a little bit of a room tour, and our room is 9206. It's a suite here on the Carnival Firenze, and you'll have to excuse the room. There's kind of stuff here, there, and everywhere, but that's all right. Part of that's having fun, right? So anyway, you can kind of see this is the entranceway, and here is the area for the walk-in closet. You can kind of see this better if I pull it down. So both sides are closet area, and then a huge mirror at the end for you to kind of check yourself out and make sure that everything's on the way you want it. So come back into the room, and we'll span over the room itself, you can see. And next we'll go into the bathroom, which is really nice. There's plenty of mirror space, towels, etc. And then we have a jacuzzi tub. And as I've seen so many times, nobody likes the clingy curtains. And of course, you have a nice shower door here. What I like about the room, there's plenty of light coming in. We have two windows and a door. So if you come in, you can see the couch here, and the couch doubles as a single bed. This room holds up to 3 persons. And then caddy corner from the couch is a little desk area and telephone, etc. Little workstation if you have computer work to do. The Wi-Fi has been very, very good. So if you have to do a work vacation, so to speak, you have that opportunity to do so. So as you can see, nice 2 twin beds obviously put together. We got our cow animal already. And yes, we're celebrating my birthday on this trip. Not going to say how many years young I am. So anyway, and then of course you have, we purchase water beforehand from Carnival, etc. You have your TV, your entertainment center over here, plenty of storage way up on top, underneath the television, and then you have 3 doors here that is plenty of storage there. So each one has about that much space, and then you have little end tables, okay, which makes it really, really nice. And going along with the Italian theme of the ship, you have pictures from Italy. That is a common picture that we can see. It actually looks like a Franciscan style architecture. And then of course this here, you got the window and a door itself. Another side table to the bed. And then this is really nice. Looks like they cleaned out here with, they did say we're going to clean the decks today. And this is our deck to the room. Nice and large, comfortable seating, as you can see. And if you look over, so, and then there's that front walkway. Okay. Beautiful views on the dark blue Pacific Ocean. So this is pretty much the room tour. It certainly is relaxing and a nice place to stay. And again, our room. Okay. Thank you, and y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Appreciate you being here.